Friends, I am trying to install Python in my Windows 11 laptop. So this install button is pressed now. So now this is what is happening. So because first time I am using Python, today is 19th November 2025, Wednesday around 1:25 p.m. now. So from today I am going to learn what is Python, how I can leverage it to my job, like creating a website, so communication through Excel, PowerPoint, Word, then HTML using the other languages like HTML, Java, CSS. So many things are there. How can I use that to leverage my automation task? Thank you. Take care. Bye.